I've had many requests to teach the mysteries openly, so today I'll begin by sharing with you a secret of the Garment of Light. The Tree of Life has 3 columns: left, right, and center. The center column is yellow, and thus the center of our body produces yellow. We urinate yellow, our stomach bowel is yellow, our phlegm is yellow, our teeth plaque is yellow, the earwax is yellow, our nose produces yellow, and our eye crust is yellow. Okay then, let's learn another secret from the Garment of Light. The 3 mother letters, Aleph, Mem, and Shin, they represent the air, liquids, solids, and the light. The principle is that the air separates liquids and solids from the light. Consider your eyes that see the light is separated from your mouth taking liquids and solids by your nose that breathes the air. And see the body. The head moves the body via light, separated from the stomach processing liquids and solids by the lungs that breathes the air. See it in the plant. It receives its color from the light, separated from its roots in the earth drawing water by its leaves converting atmospheric substance. See how every planet is a body of liquids and solids, separated from a centralized star by space. See it upon every animal. Land and sea separated from the stars above by the atmosphere. Now consider every heaven and every dream. Okay, time for part 3, a third secret from the Garment of Light. In part 1, we learned that there were 3 pillars to the Tree of Life, and we learned that the center column is yellow. Thus, we urinate yellow, our stomach bowel is yellow, our phlegm is yellow, our teeth plaque is yellow, our earwax is yellow, our nose produces yellow, and our eye crust is yellow. Now I'll tell you the secret of the other 2 pillars, the left and right pillar. The left pillar is feminine, and the right pillar is masculine. This is because the top of the left pillar is Binah, which is called by the parts of Ima meaning mother, and the top of the right pillar is Hokmah, or Abba, which means father. From this, we learn that every male produces white, namely from their yesod, or reproductive organ, and every female produces red from her reproductive organ, and everything is concealed within that hidden garment of shining light. Okay then, Secrets of the Garment of Light, Part 4. On day 6, where it says that Elohim created the man, the particle et is introduced before es ha'adam, and this represents the first and last letters of the Hebrew alphabet, Aleph and Tav. It is written in numerous places that man is a tree, and this refers to the Tree of Life. Thus, the man is the secret of the Tree of Life. The 22 letters are the 11 fronts and the 11 backs of the Sefirot. They continue in a linear progression, which each letter representing a specific Sefirot. When we get to letter Kaf, which is Malkuth, we find that it continues with the letter Lamed, which would be the backside of Kether. The secret here is that this entire tree will be located in this one Sefirot. Thus we'll find that we have a tree of the face in the Kether of the tree of our body. As we can see demonstrated here, Hokmah and Binah are the 2 lobes of the brain, Chesed and Gevurah the eyes, the nose, the ears, the mouth, and that this entire tree is located in the Kether of the tree of our body. Part 5 of the Secrets of the Garment of Light. In part 4, we learned the secret of the particle et, which is before the man, as in he created et ha'adam, et the man. We learned how these were the 22 letters, and that it is written man is a tree, and related that the 22 letters were the 11 fronts and the 11 backs of the Sefirot. We also learned that there was a tree of the face in the Kether of the tree of the body by following its connection point and its natural progression. We learned that following Kaf and Malkuth into the backside of Kether, which is Lamed, that the entire tree of the face was in the Kether of the tree of the body, like this. Now this is the secret of the bruised heel and the bruised head as mentioned in Genesis. And the serpent was cast on his belly to eat the dust, in example, the tree of the body. Thus what we find is that every animal is sideways, with the tree of the face in the Kether of the tree of their body, just like us, except they're sideways. Part 6 of the Garment of Light. It is written, out of his right hand goes Chesed, or loving kindness. It is also written, he stretched out the heavens with his right hand. Chesed is located in the place of the right hand here, and the color of its sphere is blue, symbolizing the water. Thus it is written, with his right hand he stretched out the heavens, and therefore the heavens are blue. Consider how everything here is a reflection of that divine light. Part 7, Teaching the Secrets Openly. What does the Kabbalah teach about the cycle of the planets? Okay, let's learn. This is a small book I compiled within a single night for someone very special to me. Malchus is called the moon, Yesod is called Kochev or planet, Tiferes is called the sun, and Da'as is called the abyss. That Malkuth is connected to Yesod, or moons circle planets, and Malkuth that is connected to Yesod is connected to Tifereth, or moons circle planets, circle stars, and Malkuth that is connected to Yesod that is connected to Tifereth is connected to Da'as. And from this we learn that moons circle planets, and moons that circle planets circle stars, and moons that circle planets circle stars circle black holes. Consider how everything is in the garment of light. Teaching the real mysteries, openly, Part 8, Ascension and Transcendent Consciousness. What do you think about the near future and the destiny of mankind? I'll show you. It is written of the Holy One, blessed be He, that by the word of His mouth He created the heavens and the earth. We learned in Part 2 about the secret of the 3 mother letters, Aleph, Mem, and Shin. We learned about the pattern, that the air separates liquids and solids from the light. Thus our eyes that see the light are separated from our mouth, taking liquids and solids, by our nose that breathes the air, and our ears that carry sound by the air. That our head, which moves the body via light, is separated from our stomach, processing liquids and solids, by our lungs that breathes the air. How it is the same with the animals, that their eyes that see the light are separated from their mouth, taking liquids and solids, by their nose that breathes the air, and their head, which moves their body via light, is separated from their stomach, processing liquids and solids, by their lungs that breathes the air. How in the environment, land and sea, is separated from the stars above us by the atmosphere. And as with every plant, they receive their color from the light, separated from their roots in the earth drawing water by their leaves converting atmospheric substance. How on the largest scale, every planet is a body of liquids and solids separated from a centralized star by space. How this principle transcends our dreams. It transcends the heavens, every hell, and every purgatory. It is written, and you will know that I am the Lord. This implies direct knowledge of the Holy One, blessed be He, contrary to most systems that are based off of faith and belief, neither of which appear in the Torah. There is one place where belief exists. It is written, you will know and believe. But He does not ask us of our faith, neither does He ask us to believe in Him, but He asks us to know Him. For the endless, infinite, garbed Himself in information, which is the Word He created the heaven and the earth by. Now see these things. See this principle in yourself. Look in the mirror and behold the law. Look at your body and behold the law. Now behold the others around you. Look at the animals, the environment. Look at the plants. It is inevitable that mankind will arise and awaken the light of the infinite within them, and when they do, they will transcend consciousness, which is the true attainment. We will see the divine in everything, in ourselves, and in everything around us, in every animal, in every environment, in every plant. This same law spans across all galaxies over 100 billion, and thus is the true universal faith that unites every and all things. It is above the heavens, it is above hell, it is above purgatory, it is in every dream. There is no place not shaped by it. It is the true garment of infinity, and it is the true destiny of mankind. As of now, we are slumbering, but soon there will be an awakening. And this is what I believe is destined for the near future. No longer will we seek division from each other. No longer will we see racism, nor will we separate each other by class. We will see the divine in everyone and everything. There will be a time of rejoicing, and there will be everlasting peace.